Hello, and welcome to the Virginia Employment Commission, or the VEC. We understand that losing a job can be a challenging time for you and your family. That's why we're here to lend a helping hand and guide you through the process. In this video, we'll explain what it means to monetarily qualify for unemployment insurance benefits, or UI. First, even though it's called unemployment insurance, it doesn't mean employees pay for coverage or automatically qualify. UI benefits come from taxes paid by employers, not employees. This video will focus on how to qualify based on your earnings, but remember there are other factors too, like why you lost your job and filing for benefits weekly. Alright, so when we say to monetarily qualify, what we really mean is you need to have worked and earned at least $3,000 in 2 separate calendar quarters in the last 18 months before you file for benefits. This is called your base period. The earnings must be from an employer covered by the Virginia Unemployment Compensation Act, which means they pay UI taxes. If you're self-employed or do contract work and receive 1099 forms, you may not be covered by the Virginia Unemployment Compensation Act and wouldn't be eligible for benefits. But hold up, back to that $3,000 in 2 separate calendar quarters, what does that mean exactly? When you file for unemployment, the VEC looks at your past wages. They won't look at the current quarter or the most recent quarter, but the 4 quarters before that. For example, if you file in June, they'll review the previous year's earnings, not the last 60 or 90 days. If you meet all requirements and are approved for benefits, you will begin to collect a set amount each week you are found eligible. This amount is known as your weekly benefit amount, or WBA. For instance, if you earned $35,000 a year and filed in June, your base period would be the previous 4 quarters of the previous year. If you earned $8,750 each quarter, the sum of your 2 highest quarters would be $17,500. The VEC uses the benefit table found in the Virginia Compensation Act to locate your combined total in column A and coordinates with column B that provides the weekly benefit amount. In this case, your weekly benefit amount would be $350. Currently, the maximum weekly benefit amount is $378 and the minimum is $60. Your total earnings in your base period determine your maximum benefit amount, MBA, and how many weeks you can receive benefits, ranging from 12 to 26 weeks. All earnings from all employers in your base period will be used to calculate your monetary benefits. If you do not monetarily qualify in the regular base period, the law allows for an alternate base period to be applied, but please note this is not a choice. This alternate base period calculation includes the last 4 calendar quarters completed, but you still must have earned a total of $3,000 in 2 calendar quarters. Federal employees or military personnel, you'll need to submit extra documents for the qualification process. Instructions will be included in your statement of wages and potential entitlement. As we mentioned before, monetarily qualifying for unemployment benefits is just the first step. It is the first document you receive after filing for UI benefits, but this does not mean you have qualified for benefits. It only states the potential benefit entitlement you could receive if you meet all the qualifications and requirements. The remaining steps include qualifying based on your separation from employment, in other words, how you left work, and you must certify for weekly benefits in a timely manner and be able to answer questions about if you have returned to work or received any income, ability to work, availability to work, work search, job offers, and refusals. The goal of unemployment insurance is to provide a financial bridge while you become re-employed after losing your job through no fault of your own. For more information, please visit www.vec.virginia.gov.